Hello guys, welcome back with another video. And today, if you hear something in the background, well, that's my brother. But anyway, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a Lego butterfly knife. So for this project, you're going to need this. This one has to be black. This one a 15 hole, 1x5, 1x15 I mean. And you're going to need another one. And then you're going to need 4 of these, 3 of these, and 2 of these. So for this, you're going to want to get this and put that. For this, you're going to want to put it right there. For this, you're going to want to put it in the 3rd hole. And then for this, I have to put it like that, so it should be looking like this. And then you're gonna want to put this right there. Wait. Sorry if you heard that, because that's my little brother. It's so hard to put on. There we go. So then you're going to want to put this right there. There you go. There you go. You have it. Hope you guys like my video. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave a comment down below. Thank you, and bye.